Hi everyone, this is Duane with Excel Quick Tips. Today we're looking at ways to fill down. In this little sheet here we have price and quantity. There's a formula here in E7 that multiplies the price and quantity, C7 times D7. If I pick up the little autofill cross on the right hand side, bottom right corner of that cell, I can hold down the mouse button and drag it down, and that will fill that formula all the way down and multiply all the way across. Now that's by filling it down one cell at a time, but if I pick up the autofill cross and double click it, it'll do it all for me. Really handy if you've got a lot of cells to fill down. The next example here, this formula multiplies the amount by the tax. Now if I highlight that range of cells there and just use a Control D command, that will fill down for me. Next method, I want to calculate the net cost. First of all, I'm going to highlight all the cells. And in that cell there, which is the active cell, I'm going to type equals tax, amount rather, minus tax. Now, instead of hitting enter, I'm going to do a Control Enter, and that fills it down for me. So there's a few methods of filling down. One last little tip. I'm going to highlight E15 across to G15. I'm going to hold down the Alt key and tap equals, and it sums them all for me. Well, I hope you got plenty out of that. Any questions, you can always enter them at project2sell.com.au, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like it if you liked it, and even subscribe. That'd be awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.